Hello everyone, this is your educator Aisha Rashid and you are watching 7-Minute Tricks. In this video, we are going to learn some coolest internet slang which you can use in your daily life. Let's begin with. So whenever in a sentence or whenever you want to write as soon as possible, you can make it like ASAP. For example, I'll try to answer mails as soon as possible. Next one is for your information. So whenever you want to say or whenever you want to write in, especially in messages जब आप लोग करते हो या मेल लिखते हो और शॉर्ट में लिखना है तो वहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हो for your information all leather does not just come from cars. So for your information, in short, how you can write this FYI. Next is got to go. So got to go, how you can write got to go, you can say G2G. So I am got to go watch a game. Next, TTYL. So talk to you later. If you are trying to say or if you're trying to write, then you can say I will have to talk to you later. So you can write it like TTYL. So next is wish you wish you were here. Wish you were here. So you can write it like WYWH. Wish you were here. IDC इसका मतलब क्या था? I don't care मतलब IDC what Rahul says, what he says, या आप जिससे भी बात कर रहे हो, I don't care what he says, what she says or anybody says. Next is SSDD, same stuff but different day. So you can write it like SSDD. Next one is can't stop laughing. So you can write it like can't stop laughing. So you don't have to write can't stop laughing. You can simply write like CSL. जिसका मतलब होता है sorry dear but I can't stop laughing. Next is point of view. So my point of view is this, और जो भी आपको sentence आखिर लिखना, तो how you are going to write this? So you are going to write it like POV, like point of view. My point of view is changed now, so you're going to write it like POV. So this is like very important these days when you start talking. और अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं इस तरीके से आपको देखते हैं तो आपको बहुत से लोगों को they are not aware of कि POV का मतलब क्या होगा. So ये आजकल इंटरनेट में बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल हो रही है. If you are new तो सारे के सारे एक बार याद कर लो and start using this. TBH, what is the meaning of TBH? It is to be honest. TBH, you are really beautiful. To be honest, you are really beautiful. Next is FAQ. What is the meaning of FAQ? Frequently asked questions. FYI is for your information. Next is LMK. If somewhere it is written like LMK, it means let me know. FAQ is again frequently write questions. TBH is like to be honest. Ask me anything. AMA का मतलब होता है ask me anything. This is like very common. Best friends forever. Then is before my time. BMT. What is the meaning of BMT? It is like before my time. Next is DQ. DAQ, it is not written. It means do I know you? What is the meaning of DQ? Do I know you? जब आपको कोई मैसेज करता है, right? You are not aware of, तो आप लिखते हो do I know you, DIKU. Next is direct message करके मुझे inform कर देना. You don't need to call me, you can direct message कर सकते हो. There, what you're going to write? DM. Next is DND. DND simply means do not disturb. Next is DWBH, जिसका मतलब होता है don't worry यार, be happy. DWBH, don't worry, be happy. So this is like some coolest internet slang which you can use in your while you are messaging someone या texting someone, you can use it. आराम से बिंदास तरीके से use करना है. Next HBU. What is the meaning of HBU? इसका मतलब होता है how about you. अब हमको बोलना है how are you, तो how are you के लिए you can use like HRU. STH. What is the meaning of STH? It is like hope this helps. ऐसा ऐसा कर रहा है, शायद तुम्हें क्या हो, helpful हो ये. तो STH means hope this helps. So I hope so कि आपको ज़रूर अच्छा लगा होगा ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म जो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल हो रही है. एंड यू शुड ऑल्सो बी फॉर्मिलियर विद ऑल दिस स्लैंग्स जिसका हम लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. अब हम बात करते हैं ऑल दोज हु आर न्यू एंड वॉचिंग मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर RBI assistant mains batch, then I'm gonna start my new batch from 26 October. You can write my name on YouTube like Aisha ma'am and you will get several videos available. आपको बहुत सारी videos मिल जाएंगी. And if you are really serious and obviously RBI assistant pre निकला है, मेंस के लिए तैयारी बेहतरीन तरीके से करनी है, तो ये बैच स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को 26 अक्टूबर से शुरू हो रहा है. उसकी टाइमिंग्स रहेंगी 4 PM. If you have not enrolled yourself, do enroll yourself. And if you are looking for this batch, what you have to do, you have to take subscription on Unacademy. While you are taking subscription, you can use this referral code Aisha10, so that at instant you will get 10% discount. So if you have not, make sure that you have to. And I'm going to start my new batch of IBPS PO mains examination as well. And if you are going to enroll yourself for this particular batch, this session will be obviously beneficial if you're preparing for SBI clerk examination or IBPS PO mains examination. Thank you everybody for watching me, and अगर अच्छा लगा है, आपको कौन सी अच्छी लगी है, do write in the comment section. And इसके अलावा जो मेरा डेली स्केड्यूल रहता है 5 PM only on Wi-Fi Study, which is India's #1 study channel. 9 PM Wi-Fi Study Studio पर if you're preparing for SSC exams. 9:45 PM it is like for Unacademy special class. This is also for SSC students if you are preparing for SSC examination. This is for bank examination at 11 PM. So Monday to Friday this is fixed. So you all have to show your presence and follow me on Unacademy by my name Aisha Rashid. So thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you everybody. Take care of yourselves. Lots of love. Have a nice day ahead.